Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to insert the memory card and SIM card in your Xiaomi Redmi Note A10. To do separation, we need to disassembly the cover if you have some cover on your phone. Next, you should get the key to open the SIM card tray, which is being located here on the left side. So you need to push it in a little hole here, press it and release the placeholder for SIM card and memory card, which we're gonna be placed SIM card here, one SIM card, second SIM card, and the memory card here. Whoops. That's it. Now push it here gently. Tick. Okay. And now phone should be seeing the network from both of cards and seeing the memory card of your phone. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.